So I ran into a bit of a problem while I was painting, and it's trying to get a paint container open. This paint container has been shut for quite a while, so I've used it once and I can't get it open. Tried a number of times. So I'm going to be showing you a hack today to see if we can get this open. I have a plan A and a plan B. I've already tried the old tap and go, but that hasn't worked. So let's see how we do this. Okay, so this is the paint container, and as you saw, it won't budge. I have tried and tried again. So here goes. Let's try it this way. So this is the old hammer trick, and this involves knocking the sides of the container to get the paint loose, because essentially that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that the paint loosens up that stuck around the sides, and this is how I'm going to do it. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is put this on the edge of the table, sort of line it up, and the container already has these markings on them. There's 4 of them, so we're going to be doing 4 taps around the container with my hammer. Let's see if that did it. Ha! It did. It worked.
And it works, Mommy. It works.
Just to see inside, there's all the paint that got stuck all around the sides, making the lid stuck. And now it's open and I got my paint to use. So that turned out super easy with just a hammer and a couple of knocks. It opens up the paint jar, and now I can use the paint. Super excited about that. So if you like this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up with this. I've got some paper craft videos, vinyl videos, and other painting hack videos. And until next time.